Thanks for tuning in to Elite Automation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for helpful online business tips. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on helpful videos. How do you start selling on Walmart Marketplace? If you're thinking of selling on the Walmart Marketplace, here is a list of things you'll need to know to get your e-commerce store running. With our culture shifting away from the typical 9-to-5 day job, many millennials are investigating ways to replace traditional income with more passive cash flows. These more passive income streams can be effective ways to augment one's cash flow and increase one's freedom. Passive income is money that is generated without your intensive involvement. At its perfected state, while you're sleeping, your passive business is earning you money. To do this, many people are taking advantage of automated businesses, a hands-off business strategy that allows you to earn monthly income without the sweat, labor, and tears associated with other businesses or employment. Many people know about Amazon stores, but over the past few years, Walmart has come to realize the value of allowing third-party sellers. And we are glad they did. Does Walmart allow third-party sellers? Yes. Walmart recently opened its virtual doors to third-party sellers with excellent products, great customer service, and a proven history of quick delivery. When applying to sell on Walmart Marketplace, Walmart favors sellers with already established e-commerce businesses. What are the benefits of selling on Walmart? There are no initial and monthly fees for selling on Walmart. Compare this to Amazon Seller Central's $39.99 per month selling fee, no velocity limits. We believe we can scale stores immediately since there are no velocity limits like on Amazon. Walmart receives 100 million site visitors per month. Walmart Marketplace has only around 85,000 sellers compared to Amazon's 2 million in the US alone. Walmart's US e-commerce sales grew 40% in the second quarter of 2018, up from 33% growth in Q1. Additionally, according to Forbes, Walmart's online sales have surged 74% during the pandemic. How can Elite Automation help you with starting a Walmart store? Elite Automation sets up and manages a Walmart e-commerce business for you with a professional management team of seasoned sellers with decades of experience and millions in sales collectively. Click the link in our video description to learn more.